Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Title, A Beginner's Guide to Email Validation in Python. Introduction. Email validation is a crucial aspect of web development and data processing to ensure the integrity of user input. In this tutorial, we'll walk through the process of validating an email address using Python. We'll cover the basic principles of email validation and provide a simple Python code example. Prerequisites. Before we start, make sure you have Python installed on your system. You can download Python from the official website, https://www.python.org. Email validation rules. Email validation involves checking whether an email address conforms to a set of rules. While the full specification for a valid email address can be complex, we will use a simplified set of rules for our example. Python code example. Explanation. We import the re-module to use regular expressions. The validate_email function takes an email address as input and uses a regular expression pattern to check its validity. The regular expression $s plus at $s plus $s plus $enforces the basic rules mentioned earlier. The rematch function checks if the entire string matches the pattern. If the email is valid, the function returns true, otherwise, it returns false. Conclusion. Email validation is an essential step in handling user input and ensuring the accuracy of data in your applications. By using regular expressions, you can create a robust email validation mechanism in Python. Feel free to modify the code based on your specific requirements or adopt more advanced validation techniques as needed. ChatGPT.